Right, welcome back. So you're going to find this number 1. You're going to find. So step 1 is find m. So we just do it like this. Step 1. You're going to find m. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If you want to do that, then it's important that you mark this x1, y1, x2, y2. Once you've done that, x1, y1, x2, y2, now it's substitution. So you'll substitute y2 is 9 minus y1, which is 5, over x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 2. 9 minus 5 will give you 4, 4 minus 2 will give you 2, final answer 2. So m is 2. Right, we did step 1. Now we're going to do step 2. Step 2. In step 2, you take y is equal to mx plus c. You take your m. So m is 2. And you take one ordered pair. Suppose we took the ordered pair 4, 9. You make that x, you make that y. So you're doing step 2. You take y is equal to mx plus c. You take the gradient, you take any one ordered pair, doesn't matter, you still get the same answer. Any one, call that x, call that y, and substitute here now. Now, y is 9. Now m is 2. Now x is 4. And you are solving for c. So 9 is equal to 8 plus c. C is equal to 9 minus 8. C is equal to 1. So this answer can finally be written like this. C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. M is equal to 2. C is equal to 1. And last step, I'll do it here. Step 3. In step 3, we take y is equal to mx plus c. And we must substitute m and c. Only two things we must substitute. M and c. So y will remain the same. M is 2. Substitute 2. X will remain the same. And substitute c. C is 1. So your answer for number 1 is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Alright. Now let's get on to number 2. We'll do number 2 here. Let's see. We're going to try to do number 2 here. In number 2, your ordered pairs are 5, 9 and 6, 11. 5, 9, 6, 11. That's x, that's y. Well, that's x1, y1. x2, y2. So you're going to find m first. So m is equal to, now I'm not going to write step 1, step 2, step 3, now just going to do the work. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 11 minus 9. y2 is 11. Minus y1, which is 9, over x2 is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 11 minus 9 will give you 2. 6 minus 5 will give you 1. 2 over 1 is 2. So your m is 2. Now remember, the idea of this DVDs is to teach you the basics. So we haven't done any examples with negative signs. First learn the basics, learn the steps, and then later we'll handle examples that have negative signs in them. All you got to do is substitute very, very carefully. So that's done. Now we want to find c. So you'll say y is equal to mx plus c. M is 2. And take any ordered pair. Suppose we take 5 and 9. So that's x, that's y. And you're going to substitute. Y is 9. M is 2. X is 5. Plus C. Now, 9 is equal to 10 plus C. 9 minus 10 is equal to C. Now use your calculator, don't make mistakes. 9 minus 10, C is equal to -1. So you will end up saying C is -1. C is equal to -1. Write that down here. Okay, C is equal to -1. Now the last step, Y is equal to mx plus C, and you only substitute M and C. So that will remain the same. M is 2, X will remain the same, plus -1. Now watch this part here. There's your plus sign from the formula. And there's your -1 that you're substituting. So this final answer, this plus times -1 is actually -1. Alright? You consider this like multiplication, plus times minus. So the final answer is y is equal to 2x minus 1. Alright. So actually the truth is, when you're substituting, you're supposed to have had brackets like that. So 2 times x is 2x. So +1, which is understood, times -1 gives you -1. Alright, that was number 2. Okay, we got one more to mark. So while you are looking at example 2, I will get ready to do example 3. In example 3, our points are 6, 1 and 10, 3. 6, 1 and 10, 3. Right, now we're going to find step 1, M. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once again, we have to mark clearly x1, y1, x2, y2. And now substitute. Now y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1 over x2, which is 10, minus x1, which is 6. 3 minus 1 gives you 2, 10 minus 6 gives you 4, and this final answer is half. So M is actually half. Right. We did step 1. Now we'll do step 2. We're going to find C. So to solve for C, you'll say y is equal to mx plus C, and you want to substitute. So you're going to take C, which is half, M, which is half, and you take any ordered pair. Suppose you took 10 and 3, so this will be x, that will be y. So you are solving for C. M is half, which you calculated here. You can choose any ordered pair, it doesn't matter. We chose 10, 3. Call that x, call that y. Substitute. Y is 3, M is half, x is 10 plus C. Use your calculator, you'll get 5 plus C. Then C is equal to 3 minus 5. C is equal to -2. Rewrite that properly. Alright, let me do something else. Suppose you brought the C on this side, it will become minus C. Suppose you took the 2 on that side, it will become 2. If you brought that C and you want, that's minus, you brought the c this side, it will become minus c. You take the minus 2 there, it will become plus 2. Now you don't want minus c, you want c. So you multiply both sides by negative 1. If I multiply by negative 1, that will become positive. If I multiply by negative 1, that will become negative 2. So you can see c is equal to negative 2. C is equal to negative 2. And final answer, y is equal to mx plus c. Only substitute m and c. Only substitute that. So y is equal to half x, m is half x plus minus 2, which finally gives you half x minus 2. So there's your final answer, half x minus 2. Alright, so you can concentrate on number 3. I'd just like to do one more example for you so that you can deal with some negative numbers and have some fun with it.